Hello students, this is Sir Shankar. Now I am here with you with a new topic in English grammar from the composition side. So here with essay writing. So in the last class we have learned, so up to the standard of class 5 we have learned how to write an application, right? So this essay are there are various types of essay, and again to write an essay we must need something, okay, like three things are very important. We must know these three things, and before going through all this, so let me ask you one question. What is an essay? What is an essay? So an essay is a short piece of writing. An essay is a short piece of writing about subject, any subject, okay. And this essay writing, it is there in your English, so that it helps you to think, right? You can attempt write in English, right? In English, in good English. So when we think in English and write there in something, then in that case, what it happen? We can improve our English. If we good in reading, then this will help in speaking also. If we good in writing, this again will help in speaking. So all these things, they speaking, writing, reading, all these three are very important to know any language. Not only about I'm talking about the English, but any language that we can learn. So these three skills are very important. So for writing this essay, our thoughts is very important. When we think in English, then this will help us to improve our English. We have in India, what it happened, we have our own many regional languages are there. So we speak in that language, and this is not our mother tongue also, and this is a foreign language, and for that we feel or we find a little bit difficult to learn quickly English, okay. So that's why all these points are very important. Reading, as I told you, is very important. Then speaking is very important, and now this essay will help us in writing also, and that also very important to learn English. So it's a piece of writing about the subject or any subject. So there are 5 types of essays we will find here in essay. These essays are like 1, reflective essay, narrative essay, then descriptive essay, imaginative essay, and argumentative essay. Reflective essay, narrative essay, descriptive essays, then imaginative essays, and argumentative essay. Reflective essay, when we write something on about some topic, then we give our not only our view, we give no doubt our viewpoint towards a particular subject, but that viewpoint or any opinions that we are putting on, that must be comes from the fact things we need to write in reflective essays. Again, in narrative essays, what it is there? When we narrate something, when we narrate something, like uh, so to say, you are asking to write your school days memory. So in that case, this type of essay will come in narrative essays. Suppose asking you to write about your childhood, then this comes in narrative essay. And again, in third, descriptive essays, what are the things comes in descriptive essay? When we describe something, and uh, from our viewpoints, what we have what we have thought over any subjects, what descriptions we got in any subjects, we are telling to someone that through us, through our writing, the others, we can say the readers can understand something from that essay. So these are called descriptive essays. So when you will visit something, like Delhi and all, and you have visited almost all the monuments, and you are asked to write an essay about the Taj Mahal. So you will write about the Taj Mahal, and you are giving some things, the ideas or the informations about the Taj Mahal to some others who are reading, to the readers. So this will, we can say, will come under in descriptive essays. Again, in imaginative essays, that is our 4 types of essay. In imaginative essays, what type of essays will come in imaginative essays? Like we can say, we imagine something. We imagine, that is not actual, but it is our own like imagination. It is not any ideas, it is not others' opinion, no, just your imagination. So to say, if I say what essays should comes under this imaginative essays, like example, if I will be a king, if I will be a prime minister. So in that case, you will imagine how you will be when you will become a king, when you will become a prime minister, or when you will be that. So you are giving your own imaginations. So how or what you will be, what you will do, all these things you will write, you will put on your thoughts, your opinions, your views, everything you will put on in imaginative essays. So this is what these are the things, these are the titles or topics that comes in imaginative essay. Again, the last essay, the last types of essays is what? Argumentative essays. Argumentative essay. Here, this argumentative essay is also like reflective essays. This, you have to give your viewpoints, your opinions, but it should be on the basis of what? The fact things, what is going on in and around. Okay, the fact things is very important here. But here, what is different? Unless this reflective essay, argumentative essay, you will find different, because here you need to argue with someone. You are defending with others by giving your point of view, by giving your opinion. Maybe some others are talking something not in a different way. They are not giving the right or the fact things about the subjects, and you are giving the right thing about the subject, and you are trying to defending. You are trying to defending, or you are trying to motivate someone through this argumentative essay. So all these are 5 types of essays you will find in essay, and these all are very important to identify what type of essay it is, and accordingly you can begin your writing. So on the write, I have written the things that you need to remember while writing the essay. What is there? The necessary information. To write an essay, you need what? Three things. What is the three things you need? One is the necessary information. You need what? The necessary information. If you don't have any information about the subject that you are writing, then you cannot write. If you write also, then it will not become a good essay. So good essay is very important. You can make your essay a very good one when you have everything, like whatever the necessary information need to be required in your essay while writing. These information must be with you. Then only your essay you can make it better. Then the ability to arrange the information in a suitable order. There is this 2 point is very important. Sometimes what happens when you are when you are writing that essay, that we are not able to write those some of the points or that paragraph. We cannot able to arrange. So we need to maintain this order, okay? Whenever we write, so we need to maintain this order. Arrange the information in a suitable order. So this is a second point that we need to understand, we need to remember. And the third point is the ability to express it clearly. So this expression, so we need to express our points, our thought, our opinions, our views about the subject. So if we cannot express it and only it remain in our thoughts, in our mind, then we cannot use some of the words with that vocabularies to express something. Then the readers they would not understand. They would not understand what we have written. So that's why that expression, what we have written, the others would understand. That ability of expression is very, very important. So these are some of the things that you need to remember while writing an essay. So in the next class we will see the different parts of essay, and I will show you example also how to write a good essay. Okay, so today this much only. Hope you have understood. So thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.